Want to unlock your phone faster using fingerprint even when the screen is off? On your Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can control when the fingerprint icon shows up on the screen. Let's check how to set it up and choose the best option for you. First, open Setting. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Security and Privacy. Tap Security and Privacy. Tap Screen Lock and Biometric. Enter your current screen lock. Under Biometric section, tap Fingerprint. Before we continue, make sure that Fingerprint Always On is turned on. If not, the setting will be grayed out. Next, tap Show icon when screen is off. Here, you will see three options. On Always On display, which means the fingerprint icon will always show on the Always On display. You can choose this option if you always use AOT and want to unlock your phone quickly at any time, even without touching the screen. Next, tap to show, which means the icon will only appear after you tap the screen. You can choose this option if you want to save battery but still want to unlock your phone easily. And then never, which means the fingerprint icon will be completely hidden when the screen is off. You can choose this option if you care about more privacy or if you don't want the icon to show for security reason. Then choose the one that matches your need. And then you are done. So that's how to control when the fingerprint icon shows while the screen is off. Whether you want faster unlocking, better privacy, or to save battery, you know which setting to use. Try it out and pick the one that fits your style. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.